This is 6 pairs of fashion readers. They do have the spring hinges. They are blue light and UV protectant. They're lightweight. They only weigh 0.59 ounces, and it's got a real comfortable nose pad. And these do come in magnifying sizes from 1 to 4 times. And these are just so stylish and so fashionable. Look at those. I'm showing you all the different colors that they come in. And they also each have their own c- uh, protective, eyeglass case with them, and, look at that black and white pair, isn't that pretty? And then, you're also going to, get a cleaning cloth, with it also, and then, another little bonus that they give you is this little screwdriver, and it's got 2 screwdriver type heads on it. One is a flat head and the other is, Phillips, and so that, if you need to make any adjustments to your glasses or, put in some new screws or whatever, you've got that for all the glasses. And next I'm going to show you the blue blocking on this. And they give you this little card and this little flashlight, and I'm going to shine this flashlight through the lens of the glass on that white strip and that card. And you can see there's nothing coming out on it. I'm going back and forth and I'm giving it a good try. Now look what happens when the blue light shines on that. See how you can read that on the card? That just shows you it's proof that it is true blue light, filtering. And, so go ahead, pick this up. This would make a great stocking stuffer or individual gifts because you do get 6 pair. And, so pick some up, let me know what you think, and I wanna thank, Gail for providing me a sample of these so that I can share them with you.